another day. Let's trade. Let's ride. Okay. All right, guys. So, welcome to another trading day. I believe you can see the screen. Okay. You know, we already shared a couple of setups in the free Telegram channel. All right. So, right now, I think we're just going to check how far the setups have gone, what has changed, what, yeah, whatever. So what we have here is NZD USD. So what we have here is NZD USD, and it's still good. This is the hourly time frame, right? So our entry is still very okay, and the price has been doing well because we are below this support level. Okay, so if price closes the way it is, it looks good. Looks good in it. Yeah. If price closes the way it is, it looks good. That's NZD USD. And if you're actually joining me for the first time, I think you should show some love, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you've been watching and you're not subscribed. I think it's high time you subscribe so that we can start making money together. All right, imagine you joining and we catch some setups like we always do. All right, so this is what we have on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Okay, this is what we have here. It looks good, right? Tell me your take. So if price comes right here and you see some kind of crazy reactions, you can take your profits and go. Okay, you can take your profits and go. So as of now, we are just watching price to see exactly what it has in store for us, because you see we are strong, we are below a very strong resistance level, and when price is resisting a zone this much, it's a very good signal. Okay, it is a very good signal. So let's ride. Okay, so this is what we have on the NZD USD. All right, if you're watching for the very first time, you're welcome. I am FelloF. I'm a day trader. Okay, so right now we are trying to see exactly what we have on a couple of trades I shared in my free Telegram community. Okay, so let's visit USD CAD. I shared this setup yesterday as well, and it actually triggered when we were in class, and I told you if you get your confirmation, you get it. I did. And what happened? It went straight to SL. All right, it did not go straight to SL. Gave a little profits and finally went against us, which was crazy, but we love it. That's it, guys. This is what we have on the Canadian dollar. It's not bad. We hit SL, which is part of the game. Um, there are things you cannot avoid. Hitting SL is part of the game, but hitting SL when you don't follow your plan is what really is a bad thing. Okay, so always try to follow your trading plan. Okay, so guys, if you're joining for the very first time, I am FelloF, and I'm a day trader, swing trade. That's my favorite. Okay, so I have a free Telegram community where I share signals back to back, and this is a trade we took yesterday on USD CAD. All right, on USD CAD. We've been very bearish on USD CAD, and yesterday we saw this opportunity and considered it a pullback, but price decided to take us out, and we don't know if it will go in our favor or it is bad already. But as of now, we are out of the trade and we don't have anything to do right now. All right. And if you're new here, you maybe have been watching and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. So the first trade we took was on NZD USD, that's the New Zealand dollar, and this is it. We are still in profits. Yesterday we went into massive profits, and we are currently facing a little pullback. Cool. That's part of the game, but we are still under a strong resistance. Okay, which means there's a possibility for price to continue dropping. All right, there's a possibility for price to continue dropping. So that's what we have on NZD USD. And if you want to be part of my free community on Telegram, where I share these signals, you can actually join now. So this is another pair that has just triggered our entry. This is GBP JPY. All right, this is GBP JPY. So this is a simple setup. At this point, we are waiting for a confirmation to get in and see if price will actually take us all the way up. Okay, we were in a little consolidation box here, and price finally took out the consolidation. And what happened? We waited for a pullback. Okay, we're expecting to have a pullback before we take a trade, and now we got the pullback. Now what are we waiting for? We're waiting for a simple confirmation to pull the trade all the way up. Okay, I share this signal with my free community on Telegram. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you want to be part of my free community, the links are in the description as well. Okay, the links are in the description. So this is exactly what we have going on GBP JPY. That's the Great British Pounds against the Japanese yen. Okay, so I don't know what your take is on this pair. If you are trading this pair, feel free to share your point of view in the comment section. Thank you all who are just joining us. It's a pleasure to have you here. Okay, feel free to ask any trading related question in the comment section. I'm here for you, and I'm ready to answer any question you have. Okay, as long as it's a question I can answer, I'll give you the answer. All right, so this is a clean setup on GBP JPY. For those who are looking for an entry, let's go down on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, you see on the 15 minutes we've been having a couple of rejections. Okay, you see price rejecting the same zone a whole lot of times. It's telling you something. It's telling you this zone will hold. Okay, it will hold. But when risking on a trade, make sure you risk what you can afford to lose. Okay, do not go and over leverage, because you have met someone on YouTube talking about maybe a setup you also saw. You just go there and say, oh, if FelloF can say this, it means it's going to go in our favor. I don't control the market. I know nothing about the market. Okay, I just do what I can do, which is analysis. I do my technical analysis and I trade based on what I see. All right, So guys, this is exactly what we have going on GBP JPY. And if you want to be part of this trade, it's not late. You can actually get in right now, and let's write this together. Okay? Yeah. So that is it, guys. That is it on GBP JPY. And I don't know. Do you have any questions on this? Do you want me to clarify anything? Feel free. The comment section is open for you. You can freely ask your questions, all right? And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to be part of my free Telegram community, the links are in the description, okay? Or you just go into my channel, watch any video, and below the video, you see the description, the links to my Telegram channel, all right? As easy as that. And if you brokers I use, the links are also there so that maybe you can get good spreads and withdrawals with no stress. Okay, guys, that being said, at the next pair, okay? Let's look at the next pair. Princess, soon of Wapa because you fail a video. Stop disturbing. I don't want to see you here. If you're going, you go. Don't pass by. Okay? So sorry, guys. That's how it is when you're in a family house. You don't have a choice, okay? When you visit family, you have to face what family offers. And once you choose to grow up, you live life in your own way. All right, guys. So this is GBP JPY. We are done with it, right? So let's visit GBP AUD. Okay. There is something crazy about to happen on GBP AUD. This is going to be a very powerful swing trade. Okay. This is going to be a powerful swing trade. I've been waiting for price to break below this line, and it has done exactly what I wanted. What am I anticipating? I'm looking forward to a buy. Okay. I'm looking forward to have a buy around here on GBP AUD. Just go on your charts on GBP AUD. Okay. Let's take it from the daily time frame. You see, on the daily, we have a consolidation box. Okay. This is a consolidation box on the daily. It's very simple. And now, what are we seeing? Price has swept this my key level that I marked up out. I was hoping that price should do that, and it has done it. So what has happened? On the, let's see what the kind of, this is a buy on GBP AUD. This is a buy on GBP AUD. Buy here. The stop loss few pips below this zone. Okay, it shouldn't be too crazy. I take profit all the way up there. It sounds crazy, right? That's 1:6. That's a 1:6 setup. This is what I see on GBP AUD. Okay, this is GBP AUD. Okay, this is a swing trade. It's going to take you days or maybe a week plus, but it GBP AUD traders, if you believe in this, you can take the setup. It's very simple. Okay, but if you don't believe, you can just hold on and wait for your confirmation. Okay, so this is how we go. 63 pips. So guys, this is exactly what we are looking at. This is what we are looking at. Okay, so approximately 63 pips. So we will be. So we are actually looking. For, you can come in, no problem. So we're actually looking forward to buy from, and we are targeting November. We are targeting the highs. Okay, once we catch this move, this is going to be a 1:6.7 move, because the first thing that gave me this setup is the fact that price has taken out this my line. This line is a line where I see there were so many losses below here. Okay, there were so many stop losses below here, and this is the first sweep of stop losses. Okay, this first one, and price made as if he wanted to go, but it the way down here telling us there were still some stop losses. So many people had already bought, but I kept waiting. I drew out this line and said, if price takes out below this line, I'm buying. And finally, we've taken out the line. And what are we expecting? To take this shit up, and that's approximately 455 pips that we're targeting. Okay, if it plays out, it's going to be a powerful trade. It's going to take you a couple of days to hold, but you will enjoy it. All right, guys, that being said, let's visit the next pair. Okay, so as of right now, we have two pairs that we are entering right now. We have GBP JPY, we have GBP AUD, Then for USD NZT, for GBP NZT, sorry, for NZT JPY, no. NZT USD, that's the Switzerland francs. No, that's the, yes, the New Zealand francs against the New Zealand dollar, sorry, against the United States dollar. Guys, so many currency pairs are messing me up. So accept the shit. All right. So we are looking forward to maybe uh, hold the trade we have on it till full TP. So let's check the next pair, which is USD JPY. We had a trade on it yesterday, and we were in massive drawdown after going into massive profits. So let's see if we are still in drawdown or now we're in profits. Okay. So we go down to the 1 hour time frame just to see. So if you are not yet in the trade on um, on GBP AUD, it's time you can get in. Okay, you can get in and buy the shit, guys. Then this is USD JPY. We are in profits, guys. We are still in profits, and I strongly believe in this setup. If you get stopped out, it's part of the game. I love it because I learn a lesson from every stop loss. Okay, and I make money from every take profit, which means on both sides there is something to gain. On both sides of every trade there is something to gain. So this is USD JPY. Do your analysis, and if it makes sense to you, you can also get in on this buy. It's not yet too late. It's not too late. And if you're watching this, if you're joining me for the first time, do not forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel, guys. And if you want to be part of my free Telegram community, the links are below. Okay, the link to my free Telegram is below. If you want to use the broker I'm using, the links to are below. Brokers with very good spread, your withdrawals are shown. Okay, so that's it, guys, on UJ. Now Euro, guys, we also have a setup running on Euro. We went into profits, came back into drawdown. So let's see where we are. We are at break even. We are at fucking break even, guys. We're on break even, but we don't have a choice. A patient trader is that trader who makes the highest wins. Okay, so the reason why we have two zones is the fact that it's because I was doubting if this zone will actually hold, because there is still some, for those who understand liquidity, there's still some liquidity below this zone, that's stop losses. But guys, I wouldn't want to miss a big move because I'm scared of stop loss. So I rather accept the first loss if I'm wrong, and then get the second entry where you see it after getting a confirmation. Okay, so this is what we have on Euro, and we are at break even on Euro. Okay, so if you still want to take this trade on Euro, you can join us. It's not a bad idea, but do not forget to risk only what you can afford to lose. That's trading for us. Okay, you don't risk more than what you can afford to lose. Risk only what you can afford to lose. And then on GBP USD, have been anticipating for a pullback into this box for us to get a good entry. Guys, it's still finding it difficult to get there, which I believe it will definitely get there if things play out the way I think they are supposed to. So, guys, this is what we have for today. I don't know if you have any questions. Drop them in the comment section, all right? If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and show some love by subscribing to the channel, guys. So this is GBP USD. We are still waiting for the complete pullback to continue with the trend. And for those who want to have, this is a tablet, not a computer. For those who want to have a tablet like this that comes with a keyboard, a mouse, it also comes with a Bluetooth, a pen, stylus pen, right? A stylus pen, and a lot more. Guys, if you're in Cameroon or Nigeria, I can supply you, okay? Just let me know in the comment section. My WhatsApp number is there. You can always reach out. All right, guys, love you so much. See you in our next class or in our next session. Tomorrow is another day. I'll always come back with the results of our setups. I showed you the loss we had on a USD card, right? Which was crazy, but we don't have a choice. We are still in some trade profits. Some we are at break even. Some we are still entering. That's the game. Love you all. Bye-bye.